All right, everyone, a quick update on DEGEN here. So from the last update, if you guys watched, we did come down and hit that 618 support we were looking at on the log scale chart. Now, what I want to do on this update here is focus on the non-log scale chart, because let me zoom out here really quick. You can see that if I zoom out, it is respecting the Fibonacci levels more than the log scale. So you can see it came all the way down to the 786 here at 1.4, a penny and a half, came right back up and got stuck at that 618 here. So what I want to do first here is focus on the much smaller Fibonacci to see if the bottom is in here. And I'll zoom back out in just a moment. But you can see here on the daily chart, going from the high to the low, you can see the price got right back over this support, turned resistance, now support once again at that 382. You're at 4.7 at the moment. As you can see here, you're up 45% on the week off of that nice little bounce. And it looks like you're back over the 382 here at 4.6. So as long as the price is over 0.046 on DGen, this could very well have been the bottom, and you're back to being short-term bullish here over that 4.6 for a push higher. And then I would say breakout back to the upside would be over the 618 here at 0.060. So if you hold over 4.6 here, then the next big stop I would consider would be a 30% move up to that 6.0. And then once we get over 6.0, there's a potential breakout to be had here back to the upside. And you can clearly see this high here. Once you break over 0.084, break this market structure, that's when she's going to start running back up to that macro 786 here. So let's zoom back out to the 3-day chart. Just remember those prices, and once you break over that previous high, you should shoot straight up to the macro 786 here at a penny and a half, and that would be your first big price to try to get over here, and that is a 200% move. So remember, we are on the non-log scale chart just because it is having more respect here. And the bottom potentially here, as you can see on these 3-day candles, is this wick below and that nice little bounce, and I drew the uptrend here. So this uptrend seems to be in play, and we'll see if this is the bottom for DGen. So hopefully you guys are watching and paying attention. And let me go back to the log scale chart from the last update. We were looking at this thing falling below the 0.5 at 6.6, and we did end up coming down, dipping below the 618. I mentioned that the 618 low to the high could get a nice bounce off of that. The reason it came down this low is probably the non-log scale chart, but also you can notice the volume here. This volume area here came into play, so that's exactly where these candles came, and the volume held, and got that nice little bounce here. So not bad. Could be the bottom here for DGen. Could be a very good play. With all that being said, before this gets way too long, how high can this thing go? We do have two targets up here. 21 cents at the 3 billion market cap is going to give you about a 45x. And then if you think DGen is going to simply hit a billion market cap, we have the 1.4 billion up here to 10 pennies. I think is very reasonable, and you're looking at an easy 21 to 22x on your investment here on DGen. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.